Hello and welcome to a special show Chunav Bengal Ka. This show is a curtain raiser ahead of the fiercely contested West Bengal elections. Today we are going to tell you what has been the seat position in Bengal in the last assembly and Lok Sabha elections. This time the fight is not between TMC and its traditional rival CPM, but it is between BJP and TMC. Yes, BJP has emerged as a major political force in West Bengal. BJP has been challenging Mamata Banerjee on her own turf. The top brass of BJP is campaigning fiercely in Bengal. Didi is undeterred by BJP's rise in Bengal, and she continues to hit out at each and every barb thrown at her. Only time will tell who will emerge victorious. Will Mamata Banerjee or Didi retain her throne, or will Team Modi and Shah dethrone her? Now, let us quickly take a look at where both the parties stand now in numbers. Let us start with the 2016 Assembly elections of West Bengal. In 2016, out of 294 seats, TMC contested in 293 seats, while BJP contested on 291 seats. While TMC managed a whopping 211 seats, BJP could garner only 3 seats. Now, let us quickly look at the vote percentage in 2016 Assembly elections. This is very important. The total vote percentage was 83%. Out of this, TMT has managed 44.91%, while BJP managed only 10%. So, this was 2016 West Bengal Assembly elections. Now, let us take a look at the Lok Sabha position of both the parties in 2019 general elections. This is very, very important in terms of numbers. In 2019 general elections, TMC managed 22 seats, while BJP managed 18 seats. From a seat count of 2 in 2014 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP increased its tally to 18 in 2019. More impressive is the increase in its vote share from 16.8% in 2014 to 40.25% in 2019. On the other hand, TMC was reduced to 22 from 34 seats, and their vote share had actually gone up from 3%, which is 43.3%. Now, that is all we have for you today on the number game in West Bengal Assembly elections. Stay tuned and keep watching Chunav Bengal Ka.